This is your first time getting in laundromat. Over you got excited. Not been out the whole time. We've been running around. Mama got some exercise. I love you too. I've been pushing her in this, holding her, helping Daddy do laundry. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Boop. Pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Ah. We got to get some propane today. Did some laundry. And got a little bite to eat. And yeah, a lot that had to be done. And hopefully tomorrow get to get my vehicle fixed. I'm excited about that. The pretty girl. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I accidentally scratched her right here with my ring I had on earlier. Oh, let's not fall. Let's sit down. Oh, let's sit down. Thank you. Does it feel good? That's like one of her favorite toys because she can gnaw. And you could get it at Walmart. Oh, don't shove it so far back. Yeah. You got a booger. Let me get that booger. Let me get it. There we go. Kitty pop. And she likes chewing on Barbie dolls. Their feet. It's one of sister's Barbie dolls, but she likes playing with it. Yeah. Yep, just like that. Uh-oh, your ride's a little bulky. Or, not bulky. A little bumpy is what I meant to say. Whoop. Woo, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I better not do it that rough. Sorry. Woo-hoo. Now, earlier, I had this on. I was like, oh, no. I made the joke. I said, the rich man or woman, whichever, the rich people, they get a sauna. Us a little bit lower class people or poor people, we get the laundromat. Yeah. Some people just like coming to the laundromat because they get more done where they can focus. I've seen poor people come to the laundromat. People with a little bit more money. Yeah, it's crazy, ain't it? But y'all have a good one. We'll catch you later.